In this video, I will show you how to fix videos being processed on TikTok. First things first, sometimes TikTok just need a little extra time to process your video. It is a good idea to wait few minutes. But if waiting doesn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause processing issues. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. And if the issue persists, clearing the cache of the TikTok app can help. So what you have to do is open the TikTok app, go to your profile, and then click on the three lines in the top right corner, and then choose Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and click on Free Up Space. Here you can clear the cache and confirm the action and then restart the app. Another reason for processing issues could be an outdated app. So make sure that you have the latest version of the TikTok installed. For this, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. And if you see an update button, then click on it to install the latest version.